So, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been kind of busy with college recently.
This place is a breeding ground. Zoinks! Monster!
How stupid do you have to be to not recognize a sea turtle?
It's headed back into the water, and Daphne's surfing out there.
How stupid do you have to be to think sea turtles are dangerous?
You know, sometimes I think that man is the most dangerous creature out there.
Tell that to a shark.
Then Velma, what do you call this?
Oh, I know. It's a surfboard.
I'm Mr. Blake.
Is there something you want to tell us, Daphne?
Shakitazo.
Bless you.
My boat! You overgrown sea monkey! I will get you for this, man! I will get you, believe it!
Technically, that was all Shaggy's fault.
Everybody up the ladder. I'll hold off this water weirdo till you're safe.
Fred, what are you gonna do against a sea monster?
How pathetic.
How did Scooby-Doo climb that ladder?
Then I got blindsided by a huge group of sea turtles.
How pathetic.
I think the pieces of this puzzle might fit together better if we knew more about these sea turtles.
How is learning about sea turtles going to help you find a monster?
He does look a little green around the gills.
Sea turtles don't have gills, Fred. Don't be stupid.
I guess the sushi's on the other foot.
What?
Thinking what I'm thinking?
That Mora's hairstyle is all wrong for her face?
Rude?
We're gonna have to go back to Morakini Reef for a closer look at those turtles.
I thought you were looking for a monster. Why are you so obsessed with turtles? There goes the gang trespassing on private property again.
Like nobody's home.
And again.
Don't panic. It can't get us here in the boat.
You sure about that?
Okay, now we can panic!
Where did that hook and rope come from? They were not there 2 seconds ago. Where did that jet ski come from? It was not there 2 seconds ago. Where did that life raft come from? It was not there 2 seconds ago. Where did that pool float come from? How is every member of the gang able to generate objects out of thin air that they need in that specific situation? Okay, electric eels live in freshwater streams and ponds in South America. It wouldn't be scientifically accurate to depict them living in the ocean.
Nerd.
Did you even have those strapped on? And are you telling me one of those drifting by did nothing to Velma but knocked Fred unconscious? There's no way Shaggy and Scooby plus all that other stuff fit into that locker. Where did she get that surfboard? Daphne picked up Shaggy and Scooby with one arm and then carried them both on her shoulders. I need Daphne's workout schedule.
Bikes. That's why it made the same noise.
Crunchy?
Did they just stand there all night and wait to discuss this in the morning?
He wanted to protect the turtles' mating grounds, and he used the monster to do it.
The only thing disturbing the turtles' breeding grounds was a giant mechanical monster propelling itself through the ocean. What kind of logic is this plan based on?
This is stupid.